everyone! Happy birthday to me! Sa road trip po ako ngayon, going to Taipo with, of course, Ricky Martin Ninim.
Good morning, ate.
Good morning. Is 9:38 in the morning. Yan o. Siyempre gamit-gamit ko yung GoPro ko. Ay, thank you so much for the gift. Good morning! We are here now in Taipo Waterfront Park. The weather is fine, good, and beautiful. The weather. Yes, we are here now in Waterfront Park. It's quite big. Yeah. Taipo Waterfront Park. There. I show you here. I don't know how much. So, bago kami pupunta sa Waterfront Park, ay mag-parking muna kami dito. Ayan guys. Walang tao. There. Must be under the trees.
Under the tree. Under the tree.
Yes guys, we are here now in Taipo Park. It's a beautiful day. A beautiful day. Oh. So kung doon sa mga interesado, lalo na sa mga people o sa mga OFW dito sa Hong Kong, pasyalan natin itong Waterfront Park. Let's go! You know? Wow! The view. Meron po tayo na yung videographer.
Ay.
So, pag gusto ninyo mas mabilis na makatawid, pindutin lang natin to. Yun. What is the station in Taipo Waterfront Park? This. Natin yung huni ng ibon, guys, kasi nga park tayo, so maraming ibong nagkalat dahil maraming mga puno, matataas, matatayog, mataganda. Kaya malaki po yung area nito. How many square meter this? But anyway, malaki po yung mga areas nandito guys. So everything complete. May bowling, green sila dito inside. Meron din silang gate ball court, meron din silang teachers, insect house, spiral lockout tower. Yun. Ito yung makikita natin. Look at that guys. Yung bilog na yun, what do you call that? Ito, every corner, meron pong pinakikitang mga name. kung saan pupunta like this one, model boat pool. So we go to the model boat pool. Wow, look at this. What a beautiful view. That's why I like to tripod a little bit up. Here.
Very high class.
Elephant. Wow, look at the trees and the birds singing. Beautiful. Ganda, guys. Scented garden. Oh, so this area is scented garden.
Tinawag nila itong goods seaside promenades, itong waterfront park dito sa Taipo. At meron itong 22-hectare city park situated on the northern shore of the Tolo Harbor. At binuksan daw ito sa publiko noong 1997 and upwards resident of Taipo with well-maintained and managed leisures and recreation space with good facilities and rewarding views of the harbor. So, makikita natin sa labas at daanan din siya ng mga sasakyan at isa rin siyang pinupuntahan ng mga turista mula sa mainland China. At yun nga, paglabas namin kanina, so maraming mga turista talagang pumasok para lang makita itong waterfront dito. At pagka nasa Taipo naman kayo, syempre MTR, at gagamit kayo sa, pwede kayong pumunta dito na, o pwedeng maglakad lang, but I don't know how to way kasi nga nakatira tayo sa city at mahirap hanapin. But sa bus, siguro madali lang talaga kasi may paglabas mo ng MTR, makikita mo naman kung saan yung waterfront. So, itong waterfront is major also ng Taimitok o bike trail. At nakikita nga natin dito sa gitna is most of them ngayon may decoration na for Halloween kasi nga November 1. So, every part naglalagay sila ng mga decorations ng like this. So, yung waterfront part has quite a lot to offer nga. Makita natin yan mamaya. And there is protected grassy areas. Meron din silang playground dito. Elderly fitness equipment. Tapos meron silang people walking trails. At syempre sa third part, makikita natin yung kite flying area at model boat pool na nakita natin kanina. And pupuntahan din natin sa third part yung insect house o sculpture ng installations. At lahat ng mga kailangan nandito yon, especially yung public toilets at saka yung mga parking areas at space on direct to the sea. At syempre inakit din natin ang lookout tower sa second or third part ng ating video. A real highlight to visiting the waterfront part is a spiral shaped lookout tower, yung pupuntahan natin. And may taas ito yung lookout tower, no? May taas siyang 32 meters, affording visitors really nice. At nandoon ka panoramic. At ito nga, pinasok natin yung garden na before nakita ko to is punong-puno ng puro rose garden siya talaga. Overall, talagang puro siya rose. At different. At ito naman para siyang European design, yung nasa loob. So, dahil nga siguro dumanan pagka-summer, medyo hindi na siya malago. Pero, all of here ay puro siya rose. Masasabi ko na overall, it is really nice part in waterfront dito sa Taipo. At saka yung area niya ay great stopping din point to the rest of the also the right cycling through Taipo. Parang pwede mong daan-daanan lang. So, beautiful scenery at maganda siyang i-visit. So, yun lang guys, at i-continue lang natin sa next video natin.